Alright, so this is my repair. It's probably the ugliest work I've ever done, but this putty dries quickly, and if you try to work the edges too much, it starts lifting. So I built these ribs first, pulled them out a little bit, tried to make them straight, and then I put little patches in between because this is the area that was cracked all the way down the side. Small cracks, not all connected, very small cracks. And my thinking was, I figure I probably sealed the cracks from the inside quite well, but I wanted to add some stability to the whole top, and I thought I could do that by building out those ribs and packing out some putty, and hopefully that will do the job. When this is sitting in the hot tub, it will be like this. Like this. That's the front facing. So you're not really going to see all of this at all. So it's not too bad. I'll put it together and review.